Hi, today I just want to go through with you a little song called 10 Little Indians. So here's how it goes to start with. Okay, and then if we slow that down and take it one little section at a time. So to start with, we've got the C at the start, so that's your second string and first fret. So you put your first finger there on the C, and we've got a 2-beat C, that's a minimum on the C, and then 2 crotchets. C, C, C. And the second bar is the same again. C, C, C. Then in the third bar we've got an E, which is your open string, first string open there, and then third finger on G, so the third fret on the first string for G, 2 crotchets there, so E, G, G, and then E again, the open string for a 2-beat minimum, and then we finish the first line with a C. Back to where we started on the second string, first fret. So the first line again, C, 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 E, G, G, E, C. Okay, now second line. So the second line we start with a D. So we've got the second string, third fret with your third finger. 2-beat minimum there. So D, 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 then B, which is your open string, it's open second string, then 2 Ds, and a B, so your open second string, and then a G. So to finish that first line we've got a G. So the open third string, so the third string open. So that second line again we've got D on the third fret, D, minimum, 2-beat minimum, D, B, D, D, B, G. Okay, so far so good. Now let's try the third line. So we've got a C there. Starting the third line with a C, it's just like the first line. We've got a first fret on the second string, C. 2-beat minimum there, 1, 2. Then C, C, 1, 2, 1, 1, and then that happens again. 1, 2, 1, 1. Then in the third bar we've got an E, so that's the first string open, and then 2 Gs, third fret on the first string. Okay, so the third line again, C, 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 E, G, G. Okay, nearly there. Okay, so we've got the fourth line now. The last line, we start with an E, first string, open for 2-beat minimum, and then C, second string, first fret for 2 beats, then D, second string, third fret, D, 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 and then the third bar we've got a G, which is the third string open, 2 of those, 2 minims each, and then finishing on a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's a semi-breve there on the second string, first fret. So the fourth line again, E, C, D, 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 G, Okay, great, well done. So let's go through the whole thing one more time, just so we've got it right. C, 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 E, G, G, E, C, D, 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 B, D, D, B, G, C, 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 E, high G, E, C, D, 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 now the lower G, and finishing on a C for 4 beats. Okay, well done. So I hope that was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you next time.